as we go into the spruce building. This is in the crawl underneath the spruce. You can see now that the maintenance, the equipment is starting to get in. These are the sumps. They're going to try and do something to make it so that these are easier to clean out and keep mud free. So there's been a project that's ongoing to try and keep that. The white pipe that's carrying the water that used to be running down the middle of this road is the pipe I showed you from the outside. That's the only reason it's dry in here right now. So you can see that most of the furnaces and boilers are in place. I believe there's one that still has to be replaced because it's leaking. So that's on order. And I know Unit 215 has a valve that needs to be addressed as well for its two zones of heat. So you can see that the plumbing that they did and the work that they did near this end of the building, it was the flue lines were rather challenging to deal with the reduced height. It's been a big concern of theirs, and these units are packed so tight together that if there's any maintenance on one of those inside hot water tanks, you're going to have to rip out other hot water tanks. So it's definitely been an issue with how crammed everything is. We go into this other area back here where there's some additional units. So these are the ones that are underneath the wing of where 215 and some of the other units are. So you can see they've got all of their hot water tanks and boilers and the on-demand for 215 is all in place. So and they've done a good job at clearing out a bunch of the other miscellaneous debris and stuff that was sitting in here. So Tom and Dean have done a nice job there. Going back out. Oops, gotta turn the light off. Going back out. Well, there's Dean. You can see him wave to the camera. You can wave to the camera, Dean, if you want. These guys are troopers. They do a lot of work. Yes.